Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the engine air filter on this 2016 Hyundai Accent. We're going to be using STP part number SA11206, and we're going to have a link to the filter in the video description. So in order to change the filter, it's pretty simple on this car. All you're going to do is flip these couple clips here, and this whole air box is going to lift up. You have your engine air filter in there. You can see this one's a little bit dirty. And what I'm going to do before I install the new filter is vacuum out the air box using a shop vac. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm going to show you how to drop in a new filter, how to latch it back up. It's a really, really easy 2-minute job for anybody. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, so we have the air box vacuumed out and the new filter ready for installation. I just want to point out that I wrote the date on both sides as well as the mileage on one of the sides, just so you have a reference in the future of when you change the filter. I recommend changing these about every year. So all you need to do to install the new one, set it in place, make sure the gasket's set in its groove, and hinge the air box back shut, and flip the clips. Filter change is done. Really, really easy. Again, 2-minute job. Thanks for watching.